So there is this meme coin on base that I'm bullish on called Bepe. Why I am bullish on this meme coin is because you see one of the biggest meme coins right now, Bepe, is holding the market cap around $8 billion. And this right now, the Bepe on base is basically only $5 million in market cap. The price right now is $0.005, which is really, really low. And why I'm bullish on this meme coin is because it is not just a meme coin. They have a great team, great developers, and they will be launching their own decentralized exchange swap where you will be able to swap different tokens. They will be releasing on December 15, 2024. That is not all. They have actually their own launchpad where you can launch your own tokens, your own meme coins, similar to Pump Fun, but this is on their own platform, on Base Network. Also, you can see they are really, really active on their own social platforms, on social media. And first of all, right now, I'm holding only Base meme coins because I think Base meme coins has a big potential to be listed on Coinbase exchange because as you may not know, Coinbase is actually funding the Base network, the Base chain. They are the creators. They have funded, I think they put like $500 million in the Base network. That's why I think when the true crypto euphoria comes, all the memes on Base network, Base chain will pump like crazy. And this video is definitely not a financial advice. This is just my own opinion. Because all the Base meme coins that I have bought have risen in price. All the Solana coins I have bought have dumped. That's why I am choosing still to buy only Base meme coins, and I think there is a big potential for them to for the Base meme coins to gain price significantly. And I personally love projects that are active, that are building something bigger than just their own meme coin and just posting pictures on their own social media accounts. Bepe team is actually building something much bigger. They are also teasing a launch of their own AI agents, on-chain agents, which means that you will be able to create your own AI agent that will be creating their own coins. They will be creating their own posts on Twitter, on Warpcast, and this is basically self-running AI agent that will be growing itself organically as a token and as a basically human bot. And this whole AI agent concept is something really, really new in crypto. That's why there are not many people talking about this. And that's why I am bullish on this project, is because these developers are already implementing and building something that will be huge in the next few months, especially in the 2025 bull market. Another bullish fact is that they have their own NFTs. Also here on the website, you can see that you are able to stake your tokens, and most of the meme coin projects don't have this option, this opportunity to actually stake your tokens, not just hold in your wallet, which means that by staking, you will be earning a certain percentage, which means that you will be earning more coins just by staking them. But always be aware that these percentages change as more people are staking. The percentages are going lower, and if less people are staking, the percentages of your APY is going higher. And if you want to check the latest updates on this Bepe project, you can follow them on X, on Twitter. You can also visit their website where you will see all these new implementations, all the staking, NFTs. Soon the Bepe swap where you will be able to swap different tokens. And again, you can see the market cap is $5 million. The biggest Base meme coins have market caps around $1 billion, $1.8 billion. Degen is more than $100 million. That's why I think this specific crypto meme coin has a great potential because, again, they have many integrations, new tools coming, AI agents are coming really, really soon, which will be insane. And I personally don't know any project that is building something this huge. And again, this video is not a financial advice, but if this coin can reach $1 billion, this will mean that you will get 200x from now. if it ever goes to $1 billion. But looking at the fact that meme coins is the biggest narrative in crypto right now, and there are many $1 billion meme coins, and if we are only in the start of this crazy crypto bull run, when Bitcoin goes above 100,000, that's when the real bull run starts. That's why I think there will be many $1 billion meme coins. That's why I'm personally holding many meme coins myself. The biggest narrative is still meme coins, and when something changes, I may sell some meme coins, but right now I'm all in. And the best thing you can do is do your own research. Research great projects that are building something new, something great. And that's why, again, Bepe is now one of my favorite projects that they are actually building. Look at their website. You can stake. Soon you will be able to use their own swap. You can launch tokens on their own website, on their platform. That's why, in my opinion, don't fade Bepe token. Do your research. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell. So every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.